to finish my empties. Alright. I was talking about the Spa Life hydrogel strips. They're under eye strips. They were $2.99. I got these at Burke's Outlet. I should have put these in my haul that I just did, but I kind of forgot. I actually really like these, but when I went back, they were gone, because it was like I got them from a store like Burke's Outlet, which is like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and if you see something you like, you should probably buy more than one of them. But anyways, I also used up the Cozy Cider Sipping. I got these for like 74 cents. It's the wax melts. I like that scent. It was seasonal, so I obviously won't get it again. Also used up the Peter Thomas Roth Gold Mask. I think I like this mask. It was a really great mask. I got this in a kit. I had it for some time. I think there's something at Walmart similar to this, so I think I'm just going to buy that because it's like a 3-pack and it has a gold mask in it. And this is such an expensive mask. I love Peter Thomas Roth products. I have never found a product that I didn't like. Other than that spray, that cucumber spray, no, I didn't like that. But everything else, like the masks and the face washes, are my favorite. But honestly, they're expensive, really expensive. Unless you can find them on sale at Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something like that, they're just really expensive. Or in a kit, like if you can get them in a kit, like I really do like their masks. It's just hard for me to get them sometimes. Every once in a while I'll buy a kit that has them in there, and I will treasure them until I end up using all of them. I used up 2 of these e.l.f., or one of them, actually I think this one still has product in it. Actually, this is not even open, so I'm gonna keep that. I thought it was empty because it was so light. I didn't realize it. Never mind. I used up the LA Colors nail polish remover. I had this for a while. There's one or 2 pads left. It's actually dried out. I don't think I would buy these again. I prefer just regular nail polish remover, but I bought them to try. Actually, I have 2 of them. I got those at Dollar Tree, but they're not really that good. I showed this in my haul, but I actually squeezed this tube into my bigger one so that it would last a little bit longer, because I got this a free like 100-point perk or whatever. I love this, and I need to purchase a bigger one once I'm finished that one over there. I have 2 mascaras. The Super Sizer, I used to love this one, but I like the brush. I just don't like the formulation of this mascara anymore. I don't know why. I'm so picky with mascara. I don't know. And then the Maybelline Total Temptation, I don't know, it has something on it. I tried this again and it burned my eyes, so I cannot use this, but I don't even like the brush, so usually Maybelline mascaras are usually my favorite, but that one, no. This Dove scrub, it was a sample from Pinch Me. I did like this. I don't know if I'd purchase it right away, but I do need a scrub because it's becoming summertime and I need to get one. I also used up the Shadow Insurance Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I don't think I'd purchase this again because I like the Milani one and it's only $5. If I got this in a sample pack or, you know, something like that, I might use it because I did like it. This is I actually used this all up, I believe. Or maybe I just didn't like it. Yeah, I did. This was a pencil from Winkylux, I think? Yeah, Winkylux. It was a brow pencil. I liked the outside because the packaging was really nice. I liked that it had a spoolie. It was an all-right product. I don't think I would buy this again. I can buy one just about the same color and same product for $2. So, from e.l.f. So I prefer that one over that one. Alright, I got some face masks. I do have the Kleenex brand Daily Cleansing Cushion. I got this as a single use. It was one of those dry, kind of like the Olay drying things, and then you like wet them and wash your face with it. I really want to try the Olay ones before I buy the Kleenex ones, because I wasn't, Lord to mercy, I can't speak English. I don't really like these this much, so I really want to try the Olay ones, or even maybe the Equate ones, the Walmart ones. I don't know. I'm really, really thinking about it, but I haven't purchased them yet. This is the Wrinkle Care. This was from Skin 18. This was just as the Wrinkle Care. I don't think I'd purchase this again. First of all, there's no English on here at all except made in Korea. It was an alright mask. It hydrated my face. I don't know if it did anything for my wrinkles, but I have several of these. I actually used this one for the first time. This is from the Cream Shop Charcoal and Lemonade. I got these at Burke's Outlet for like a 4-pack or something like that for like $2 or $3. I love the Cream Shop masks. I have 2 of them here. This one's made in Korea. And it has charcoal in it, but it also has lemon superpower that helps combat acne and blackheads, and then the charcoal detoxes your face. I did like it. These masks like this really just moisturize my face. I don't really think that they do. I mean, they might detox my face and I just don't even know it, but I like that one. I have several of them and I would repurchase that one. This one here, this is the, there's a hair on that. Alrighty then. This is the Cream Shop Witch Hazel Infused Face Mask. If I could find this one again, I would purchase it. It smells like witch hazel, but like it wasn't like overpowering. And I really feel like witch hazel is really good for your skin, so I think it did a really good job, and I would purchase this one again. I got this at H-E-B. They just had it like on an end cap, so I should have picked up more than one, but honestly I didn't know if I'd like it, so, but I think you can find these at all different places, the Cream Shop. Like, I found them at usually Burke's Outlet, you can find them at TJ Maxx, you can find them at different places. And I have one more product. I have the e.l.f. Exfoliating, actually what happened with this is it broke. That's why it's in here. It broke, so I need to buy a new one of these. I use this for, I usually have one for me and one for my son, to exfoliate our lips because he picks at his lips and then has like scaly skin on there. So I use this and then usually use a lip balm, but since it broke, I need to buy new ones. Anyways, alright guys, I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this Empties. Sorry it was long, but I meant to like try to do it, a while back, but it just didn't get done. Alright guys, well I will see you in my next video. See you later guys. Bye.